Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the two identical PDF files are same or different for free in Windows computer. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see in my desktop home screen. So you can see here I have a PDF file. So let me open it and let me show you. So you can see here what's inside in the PDF file. So you can see the text and some images, everything, right? So this is one video file, and let me show you one more video file with the same name, as well as let me show you it looks almost identical, right? So you can see here everything looks identical. So in order to find out if this two video files, that is the two identical video files, are really same or different, so for this what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as WinMars, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see its official website, and on the right side you can see here download now. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to download this software again. So you firstly download and install it on your Raspberry Windows computer, and after that once again open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for one file name x.diff WinMars plugin. So you need to search this one file name, and on the first list you will see its official web page. Just click on it, and now below you can see here a download option. So I've already downloaded this file too on my computer, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download this zip file, and after that just go to the folder where you have downloaded this x.diff plugin zip file. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see some files here, and here you can see readme in English and readme in Japanese languages. So if you don't speak Japanese language, then you can read the English one. So here are some instructions how to add this plugin on your WinMars. So you can see first step, so you can read here the instructions. Firstly unzip and copy this x.2.exe as well as the .zlib.dll. so you need to copy both this and this to the WinMars program folder where you have installed the WinMars software. So let me show you. So let me open a file explorer, new window, and let me show you how to do it. So let me open a C drive where we have installed the WinMars software. So just go to this program files into 86 and just locate downward, and you can see here WinMars installation folder. Just open it, and now here you need to copy this both this file x.2 text as well as this zlib.dll. just select both the file and just copy this and just paste it on the installation folder. So our first task is done. So even if you find any difficulty, you can read the instructions, and the third step is copy amb x.diff plugin.dll to the subfolder Mars plugins. So here is one more file here, as you can see on the extracted folder. You can see here Mars plugins. Just open this and you can see one file, right? Just right click on it and just copy this, and now on the WinMars installation folder you will see one folder name as Mars plugins, right? Just open this and just paste this file. So our plugin has been successfully added. Now you can close this, to window. Now just open or run the WinMars software. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So on the above you can see one option plugins. Just click on it, and you can see your plugin settings. Just click on it and just check here if this AMB-X.diff plugin is being added or not inside this plugin option. If it is added, that means you have successfully added your plugin with the WinMerge software. Click on OK. Now you can see here a folder icon, right? Just click on it, and now just locate to the folder where you have kept your two identical video files. So in my case, one is in the desktop, so let me click on browse and select the desktop. Click on open, and once again you need to locate to the second video file. So in my case, it's in the documents. So here I'm gonna find out, comparing the two PDF files. You can compare even 3 PDF files at a time also. So once you have loaded both the PDF file locations, now you can see here below file unpacker plugin. So just click on this select option and check here if this AMB-X.diff plugin is selected or not. If it is not selected, just click on this down arrow and select this option, AMB-X.diff plugin, and after that just click on OK. Now it will be show up on this box, and once this option is being selected here, now you can see below compare. Just click on compare, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see here both the PDF files text are being shown here. Everything is being compared one by one together, right? Even how many pages are there is being compared by using this software. Now you can see below here is already showing 4 differences found, right? So what are the 4 differences? So you can see here like the white as well as the pink marker is being showing, right? So you can see here one text name as Sodelis, and you can see on the right side on the other PDF file is Sodis, as you can see here, and you can see here Curabitur on the left side, and you can see Cubitur. It's different, right? So let us check this one also. So you can see here Vehicula, and here you can see Behila. So there are differences in both the identical files. So using this free software, you can easily find out if the two identical video files are same or different completely for free in Windows computer. So if you never known about this very useful software which will let you find out if the two identical video files are same or different, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.